Isishayamthetho sikazwelonke sachitha umbiko wejaji selathatha umhlalaphansi uSandile Ngcobo owawuthi kungenzeka ukuthi uMengameli Ramaphosa wephula umthetho nokufanele aphendule ngakho. uMalema uthi bese phalamende nje angeke balilaxaze udaba lwePhalaphala lapho kwebiwa khona imali elinganiselwa ku4 million amadola aseMelika.
We told you Phalaphala will never die. For as long as the EFF is in parliament, which it is where we are.
Leli qembu kulindeleke ukuthi likhethe ubuholi engqungqutheleni yalo ezoba ngozibandlela kulandela nokushiywa kwamalungu alo abesesikhundleni zobuholi. Umengameli we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi ungaboni ngasolinye kweqembu EFF kanye neMK Party sekuqiniswa na ukuthi iMK Party ithathe abantu abebengamalungu e-EFF.
We have no relationship with MKP. And even worse now when MKP has made it its program to recruit leaders of the EFF. Tomorrow we are marching to the Constitutional Court with everyone except MKP.
uMalema uthi ngoNhlolanja ka-2021 waya emzini kalowo wabe engumengameli wakulelizwe uJacob Zuma ngoba eyomcebisa ngokuthi athobele umyalelo wekhomishana kaZondo ukuze kungezukuba nodungunyane kulelizwe.